Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to rearrange apps on home screen easily. Okay, so if you want to rearrange the now brief and the now bar and the settings icon, just press and hold the icon that you want to rearrange, then simply move. If you want to change the now bar position, press and hold, then move to desired position. Okay, so in this way we can organize apps quickly for better productivity, a clean layout, improved daily usage experience. So simply in this way we can rearrange apps on home screen easily. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.